when we had finished to make our configuration and they were working very well. So now if you would like to share your HTTP custom file like this, when you want to share with maybe a friend, this is what you have to do. Yeah, like you see now they are working very well, when we connect they are working just perfect. They are working very well, as you see. Let's wait and see. Like that. So this is what you do when you want to share a file with maybe a relative, a friend. Yeah, this is what you are supposed to do. Now you disconnect your file. After disconnecting, you see this plus sign here. This plus sign here. Yeah, that is where you have to tap. You tap this plus sign and you come here on save configuration. You tap on save configuration. Yeah, now here what we do, the first thing is to lock all. We shall lock all here. We shall lock all payload like this by putting there a tick. After, we have to put our name, our file name, the name that will appear on our file, we put it here. So for me, for this purpose, I will put tutorial file. After, you can add a password from here. If you want to add a password, this is where you come here. You put there a tick. After putting a tick here, so you can come down and set your password. You can put anything. Now for me, I can put Wamala. After, when you're done with that, you can add a note to those ones whom you are going to share your file to. Now, for me, if you want to add that note, this is where you put your tick. Now you come down here and you see here, this is where you can put your that note. Now for me, I will put that. Now you can actually add expiry date if you want. As you see down here, you can add expiry date. Then you can lock your file for mobile data. When you lock your file for mobile data, it means if someone has not connected data, that file cannot be read. Then another thing, you can lock your file for the provider. If you want to lock it for provider, maybe for Airtel only or MTN only, now you have to deal with this one. Then another thing, if you, as you are seeing, you can add anything you want, but for me, for right now, I'll just end there and I come here and I save my configurations. Now my configurations have already been set. Now let's see. If I want to see whether they have already been set, I'll come here and I clear. I do clear or reset configuration. Then after resetting, I'll mark here UDP. Then I come back on this plus sign here. This plus sign, I tap there. Now today I will not click on saving, but I will click on open configuration. Yeah, I will click on open configuration. As you see, my file now is here. The file I've created, it is here. So when you want to import it, you'll just tap on that file. When you tap on it, since you have put a password, you have to put here your password, which you have put. Yeah, very well. Then you press submit. Your file will already be imported. Then here you are good to go. Even your friends, now this is the note you have written for your friends. Now here you can connect to your internet and start enjoying. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. I remain Wamala. Yeah, let's meet in another episode.